Today, we're going to show you how to fit the D23 or NP300 raised center console lid. So we just need to pull out these 4 screws first and pop the bottom off. Now these 4 screws here to undo the hinge. So as you can see, this is the old base, this is the new base. So we need to get this off to be able to put the latch in from the other side. So this pin needs to slide out. So if you just push this end a little bit with a screwdriver, then you can grab it with side cutters or something, and be wary not to lose the spring. So very important we remember what way that spring goes. Getting this lined up can be quite difficult. That's assembled now. So back in the car here, we need to fit the lid section again before we fit the base onto it. Line up the dowel holes using the larger gauge screws that we pulled out before. And now we'll just put the base on using the 6 screws that we removed. That's that. Just need to make sure it latches, unlatches. Now you can slide it forwards too.